how to use the Gemini AI application to generate your own images and custom photos. So first you want to open up your browser and then search for Gemini and click on the first link for Google Gemini, and make sure that you're signed in with your Google account or Gmail account to be able to use this. Now to create an image, you should simply type your prompt right here. You can also click on the tools button here and then select create images and then describe or enter the prompt for the image. Now once you enter your prompt, you want to click on the send button and just wait for it to load the AI model and start generating your image. And once your image is ready, you can basically download it to your computer. So for example, click on the image and then you want to click on the download button here to download the full-size image to your computer directly. And to make changes to the image, you want to simply just type your changes here. So for example, and once you type the change prompt, just send it again and wait for the AI to adjust the image for you. And it should edit the image and show it back to you so that you can download it. You can also upload your own images from here and basically make the AI adjust your images and bring it back to you with the new changes. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.